In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the man overboard functionalities on the RT-500-M. The man overboard or MOB feature is a critical safety tool designed to help you quickly and effectively respond in the case someone falls overboard. For the MOB feature to operate, we will need GPS data. You can see this represented by the green satellite image on the bottom of the display. The MOB feature works by logging your current GPS location and then showing the distance to that logged GPS location. By default, it's programmed to activate by manually pressing the MOB button located at the bottom of the DCU. Once the MOB button is pressed, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all the saved locations. Pressing the Save button will save the currently highlighted GPS position. Pressing OK will activate the saved GPS location, or if one has not been saved, the currently highlighted one will be used instead. The GPS information will then be used on the bearing page and will show distance and bearing to that target. As you move away from a logged GPS location, you'll notice a magenta arrow appears on top of your bearing arrow. This arrow will always show you the direction to that saved GPS location. Pressing the delete key will clear the selected GPS location. Pressing Quit MOB will take us back to the bearing page without activating the MOB tracking. This is useful if you press the button by mistake or you've already resolved the situation. The RT-500-M also has the ability to automatically activate this MOB mode when an ELT or PLB alarm is activated. To do this, let's press Setup, then System, and scroll down until we see the MOB trigger. From here, we could set this to manual/ELT. Let's test this using a PLB beacon. As you can see, once the alarm is activated, that man overboard function is automatically activated. Let's clear all our GPS positions. To do this, let's press the MOB button and then press Clear All. This will clear all our saved GPS positions and stop our man overboard function. This concludes our look at the RT-500-M man overboard functionality. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Rothea anytime. Thanks for watching.